Hey guys, this is my Oakter mini UPS power backup for my router, which I got from Cred for a good deal of 699 It's a cute little package. Let's unbox and see. Nice. We get this installation guide. Okay, sure. And this kind of reminds me of my power bank, and we have the connector. Let's remove this outer wrap. So this is what we got. We have this on and off, then socket for power in, power out. Let's see the manual. So let the power adapter connect it. Okay, let's try this manual stuff. So I have set up this. So basically what I have done is I have unplugged this router connection and plugged it to my UPS. Then from this we have an out and have connected. So we'll be having basically like two ends. So just plug in whatever is suitable for your router. Plugged in, then you just turn on this power source to this and turn on this. Boom, you're done. And watch out for the further videos for long-term reviews, and thank you.